Hi there, this is Mrugank from Japan. So basically what we do here in Japan is we have properties that we rent out to working professionals who arrive for the first time in Tokyo. And as our properties grew in number, we needed a platform to help us manage it more efficiently, as most of our operations were being done in Excel. Here we took help of Fuzen to develop a real estate management platform for our real estate rental business. So with the help of Fuzen, we were able to create a very beautiful real estate property management platform which fulfills all our use cases in a very short period of time. And it was surprisingly fast about how they leveraged the power of AI to create a very beautiful and fully efficient and working real estate management platform. Moreover, their support is very quick. They help us every time whenever there is any issue. They have a dedicated WhatsApp group for us where they help us to resolve those issues quite quickly. So I would recommend you to try out Fuzen. It is a very good company and the team is lovely. They help us a lot in running our operations smoothly. So give them a try. Hope they can help you to the same extent that they have helped us. Thank you.